Do not get discouraged. Not everybody will be happy for you. Not everybody will support you. Do not seek validation from your haters. You must always be a trendsetter and do not compete with haters. Because if you compete, you run a risk of as you look at the human being buying the bracelet of 150,000 and you think you can beat down, you don't know where you only know about your money. I always tell my son that I'm the richest man in the world. It says that what you say, I only know my bank balance. I don't want to know any other person's bank balance. After knowing it, what must I do? I don't care. After knowing what must happen, I must buy that which my heart desire, not because I compete with someone else. Because competition is what is going to land us into trouble. Move at your own pace. Do not compete. Be a trendsetter. When you do that, you have no pressure. But let me tell you, if there is a wealth you are enjoying today and it was accumulated within a short space of time, you must know you will never enjoy it. A proper wealth is a one that you must sweat and work for it. So much that when you lose power and you retreat to your farm, no one follows you at your farm. Because that time you are old, you have no power, you can't bribe this one, you can't do anything. That's the time when they come for you. When it is time to enjoy that wealth. Because business is not popcorns. It's something that you build in your mind, you conceptualize it, and you realize it, and see it grow. It is only when you can stay in Johannesburg, and you have business in Polokwane, and you don't have to be in Polokwane for your business to run, then you must know I've got business. But if you can't leave your business, because when you leave, it is likely to collapse. It's not business, it's self-employment. You ought to make